Good morning, children. Welcome to Klein Memorial School of UBS. You are in UKG class, okay? Today we are going to learn English. Children, before that, I just want to know, are you all at home, right? Don't go out to play. Be safe at home, okay? Today we are going to learn vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Let's learn about vowel sounds. Do you know, children, how many alphabets are there in English? Yes, it's 26 letters in English. Shall we say that? Children, let's say alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Children, alphabets are divided into two, consonants and vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letters are consonants. These are vowels. What are these? These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Children, these are consonants. The letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are called consonants. Okay? Children, each vowel makes two sounds, a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. Long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. Children, this is letter A. Let's take the vowel A. A can be read as ape, aim, apron. Ape, aim, apron. A can be read like ape, aim, apron. A can also be read like apple, act, cat. Apple, act, cat. Children, which letter is this? E. What is the phonic sound of E? E, a, elephant, right? E, a, elephant. Here, E can be read like eagle, key, eel. E can be read like eagle, key, eel. E can also be read like elbow, elephant, pen. Elbow, elephant, pen. Children, now let's take the vowel I. I can be read like iron, bike, ice. Iron, bike, ice. I can also be read like ink. I-E, ink, in, pin. Ink, in, pin. Okay? This is letter O. O sounds O. O, orange, right? Children, O can be read like oak, gold, old. Oak, gold, old. O can also be read like O, octopus, off, pot. Pot, octopus, off. Children, which letter is this? U. This is the last letter of vowel. U. U can be read like universe, unity, cute. Universe, unity, cute. You can also be read like U, umbrella, uncle, up. Umbrella, uncle, up. Children, I hope now you know what are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Please do remember these vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Take care, children. I'll be sending worksheets. You have to finish your worksheets in your notebooks with the help of your parents. Thank you.